So here is the first exercise on creating grounding and support. When we are caught up in emotion or stuck in a trauma response, our body loses its sense of stability and support. And so it's very important to help the body recognize that the stability and support are available right now, right here, in the present. And how do we do that? By noticing how we connect physically in a supportive way to our environment, how our environment supports us. So let's start with the first practice, and for this you need a simple chair. Simply sit on the chair in a way that your feet can rest firmly on the ground. They are flat, connected to the ground. Now, I am sitting on the chair, so you can do this practice with me. You can close your eyes if you want, and just try and notice the connection between your feet and the ground. We are always walking on the ground, always supported by gravity, always connected to the earth in some form or the other. But it's important to let our body recognize this support. So just notice, where can you feel the connection between the ground and your feet? Where is the contact of the ground with your feet? If you're not feeling too settled, feel free to move your feet a bit, rotate your ankles a bit, flex your legs a little, stretch them a bit, and then again put them flat on the ground. And now take some time and a few deep breaths, all the while noticing the connection with the ground. This is one way of feeling supported by the ground. Another way of feeling supported, and a continuation of this exercise, is to now bring attention to the chair and the seat of your body that is resting on the chair. Allow the seat of the body to let go. Trust the chair, rest on the chair, let the chair support you. Move a little if you feel like adjusting yourself on the chair, feel free to do that. And when you feel a little more settled, just rest, become still. And now just notice the connection between the seat of your body and the chair. If you're holding yourself tight, if you're holding your belly in some way you're clenching against that support, just open up your body and allow it to rest on the chair. This is a very effective way of taking in support and feeling stable and grounded. And now a third continuation of this exercise is to feel supported on your back. So take the back rest. The connection between the chair and your back is always there. Notice it. With all your awareness, take in the support. Let go. Move backwards. Move into the chair. And rest. Notice where the chair makes contact with your back. And take in all the support. Now you have 3 ways of grounding and supporting yourself. Do this exercise at your pace. Do it very slowly. All the while, keep breathing and keep letting go. And taking support from the back, from the seat of the chair, and from the ground. This is a very, very effective practice to feel grounded and for your nervous system to settle down.